Advantages of using all-wood cabinets for kitchen. 1. Proven permanency. Durability is the principal basis for choosing the all-wood cabinets. The days when you would only see all-wood cabinets in high-end homes are gone. Today, hardwood work in the kitchen work amazingly. There are diverse ready-to-collect options for the wood cabinets. The various options give you the freedom to choose your best. All wood cabinets are fancy and have a natural strength of hardwood. The sturdiness of these materials is the ideal for remodeling designs. The luxurious impression that all wood cabinets give kitchens is unbeatable. They come with different attractive designs. Choosing depends on the effect that you want to achieve. All these depend on your taste and preferences. 2. Attractive appeal. The light-colored, smooth, and even seeds of maple create a sophisticated feel to the room. For an overwhelming impression, the coarse grains and decorative patterns are excellent. Besides, for palatable darkness, cherry is an ideal choice. The fantastic range of surfaces that you can choose is excellent. No matter what color combinations you will be working with, you will find the best match for your kitchen. The attractiveness of kitchen wood cabinets has a significant impact on the feel of a kitchen. These cabinets give the kitchen a cozy look and a natural feeling or atmosphere. It also makes the kitchen appear larger and feel warmer. 3. Varieties. All wood cabinets are available in a wide range of sizes and types. Having diverse varieties is one of the advantages of using all wood cabinets for a kitchen renovation. It gives the homeowners much freedom of choosing their best. Besides, it enables homeowners to work the cabinetry design around the open space they have. You can maximize floor area by opting for wall-mount pick space-efficient designs. Cherry is another ideal design if you want all-wood kitchen cabinets. From a light hardwood color, this choice turns a deeper red as time goes by. For cherry, you must consider the basic lighting types for a kitchen renovation. Proper lighting has an impact on the kind of wood cabinet you choose. In addition, you do not want your kitchen to appear dull. 4. Affordability. Affordability is one of the major advantages of using all-wood cabinets for a kitchen renovation. Hardwood cabinetry has become a cost-effective way to enhance functionality in kitchens. You do not have to break your bank account to get them. They are affordable. Besides, they do not need a higher maintenance fee. Once you install them, you only have to clean them and nothing else. Conclusion. In conclusion, the advantages of using all-wood cabinets for kitchen renovation are great. They will drive you considering all-wood cabinet without resistance. Besides, if you add all-wood kitchen cabinets to your home, you will not only improve the value of your home,